Welcome to WordWriter. In this video, we'll take a quick look at Content Writer and how you can use it to create polished content from an idea or source. Let's get started. First, we have the topic field. This is where you enter what you want to write about. For this example, the topic is 7 things you should stop doing if you want success. Next, we have SEO and AI search. Here, we can add an SEO keyword. The keyword helps guide the content around the main search term we want to target. In this example, the keyword is habits to stop for success. Next is GEO mode. This option helps optimize the content so it can be more easily cited by AI answer engines such as ChatGPT and Perplexity. Now we move to source materials. If you already have product details, notes, research, or other information you want the AI to use, you can paste it here. You can also select Upload Source to add a file, or use Library to select existing material. There is also Import to Editor, which allows you to bring your existing content into the editor. Next is Audience. Here, you can specify who the content is intended for. If you don't have a specific audience, you can leave the default option. Next is Tone. This controls how the content should sound. For this example, the tone is set to professional. Below that, we have Outline mode. When enabled, WordWriter creates an outline before writing the full content. Next is Research mode. This allows the system to research the topic and automatically cite sources in the generated content. Now we have Word Count. Here, you can choose how much content you want to generate. The available options include 500, 1,000, 2,000, and 5,000 plus words. Next is Add Context. This allows you to provide additional information that can help guide the generated content. Finally, we have Output Language. Here, you can select the language you want your content to be written in. Once all the settings are ready, select Generate. WordWriter now creates an outline based on the topic and the options we selected. The outline is divided into sections. In this example, we have 4 sections. Understanding the critical habits to stop for success. Eliminating destructive mindsets and self-limiting beliefs. Stopping inefficient workflows and daily distractions. And taking action to build lasting professional momentum. Let's start with the first section. Select Write. WordWriter now generates the content for that section. Once it is finished, the completed content appears in the editor. We can now read through the generated text and make any changes we need. At the top of the editor, we also have tools such as writing analysis and repurpose. The repurpose option allows us to turn the content into other formats. For example, we can create an X thread, LinkedIn post, newsletter, Instagram content, YouTube description, blog summary, key takeaways, or FAQ. Next, we have the download option. Here, we can download the generated content in different formats, including Word, plain text, HTML, and PDF. Finally, we can use writing analysis to review the content. This shows useful information such as the total number of words, sentences, paragraphs, reading time, average sentence length, and longest sentence. It can also identify frequently used words and help us improve the writing. And that's the Content Writer workflow. Enter your topic, add your SEO and source information, choose your audience and tone, set the word count and language, generate the outline, write your sections, and then review, repurpose, or download the finished content. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more WordWriter tutorials, and visit the website to learn more.